Now look at the kids. The kid coming in front is mine, and another is my niece, who is the only daughter of my second brother out of our three brothers. Of course, there is another niece, who is the eldest out of these three kids of our brothers, and she is Shumaya. She is absent now. She's older than these two guys, two kids, and she is the oldest child of my youngest brother. She's Sumaya, but she's absent here. But these two kids are very much curious and keen to know about the rural or pastoral scenery, the scenic beauties of this village. We can see the vast green field in front of us, and now we are going to make a short trip, a travel. No, let's go use that passage. This is not a good passage and you may not feel comfortable in moving. Come. এদিক দিয়ে আসো, দূরে যাবো ওই দিক দিয়ে. Come. And of course we can see my baby wants to go over there, far away, where there are palm trees peeping through the vast sky from the green field and paddy fields. We can see the paddies, we can see the paddy plants are full of paddies, and this paddy will be harvested after a couple of days. Look at the golden color and sometimes greenish appearances in some of the paddies, but most of the paddies have already turned yellowish or golden color, and really it looks very attractive at the moment. A golden spot in the green field. It looks so lovely, eye-catching sight and spectacular. And my kid, being habituated in staying a city or a town called Gajipur, normally stays within the four walls of my residence over there in Gajipur, and my baby doesn't have any confidence in moving faster than my niece, because my niece stays here. She has been accustomed to moving here very comfortably, but my baby is not so comfortable. She doesn't feel comfortable while moving by using the passes. Just move slow. You may come closer to me by moving slow. Don't be in a hurry. You may stumble, you may fall on the drain through which irrigation water follows to reach the fixed field in which irrigation is needed. And now they look very happy. I think they're a little bit nervous too, because the passage is not so comfortable to move forward. Yes, you can use this. Your সাথে আয়, হ্যাঁ। Look at this beautiful scenery. Actually, it's been 11 a.m. and already the board sun is supposed to be over our head. We are lucky today that there is no scorching sun rays over our head. That's why I think babies will not feel so difficult or troublesome or critical to move through this field. If there was the scorching sun rays over our head, it would be really so tough for them to move easily, because normally the temperature of this region, you know that this is Barandro area. Barandro area normally remains hotter than as usual, and we know that especially two upazilas under Rajshahi districts are hotter than other parts of this area in Rajshahi, and those two are Godagari and Tanor upazilas. And we are here in Godagari upazila. The name of this location is I'm talking about the name of the village we live in is Gorer, which is under ward number 1 of Godagari municipality. And Godagari is really a very beautiful and prosperous upazila. It is the largest upazilas of Rajshahi district, and it stands by the river Padma that follows from Rajshahi, that follows from crossing Rajshahi to Chapai area. Yes, they're very happy. Yes, they're very happy because they are moving in the vast field of this vast open space. I am also enjoying this moment, alhamdulillah, a little bit, because normally I don't have any scope or leisure or spare moment to move in this way. You know, as a teacher, I get involved in teaching formally, informally. I mean, sometimes in educational institutions as teacher, lecturer, and sometimes in private tuition, in coaching center. That's why I don't get enough time. But unfortunately or fortunately, I don't know exactly, only the Almighty Being knows. I with my family have been entrapped here for an uncertain period of time because of COVID-19, the pandemic epidemic in 2020. And it's really very, very dreadful and horrible situations. Every day the death rate is increasing, beside the what can I say, unexpected increasing rate of affected people with COVID-19, I mean coronavirus. But alhamdulillah, I cannot express my gratitude by measuring to the Almighty Being, because it is the Almighty Being who has blessed us still now, and we are still safe, sound, fit, alhamdulillah. Though most of my family members were affected in cold, a little fever, without any breathing problem, alhamdulillah. Now, alhamdulillah, we have been 95% okay, alhamdulillah. Still sometimes we cough, but I think it's seasonal cough. And we are passing 31st day after coming from Gazipur to Godagari. I mean, we are passing here in Godagari 31st days today, and this is one of the longest periods of vacation in my life within last 8 years, as I have been over there in Gazipur for more than 10 years, about 11 years. And actually when I was here in Godagari before going to Gazipur, I can recall my exciting childhood days. Actually, I was also a children like them, and I enjoyed staying here, moving to and fro, roaming about to and fro here, because I'm very much a nature lover from the beginning of my life. When I don't go, let me go fast. Sharp thakte pare. Stop here. There might be a snake under the grass. Hey, stop. Tham. Ami age jabo, tarpore tora jabi. Okay? Come. Ekshate. Come together. Don't be faster and move slow. Aste aste হাঁটবে। এইভাবে হাঁটবে একটু এরকম করে, তাহলে সাপ টাপ পোকা থাকলে পালিয়ে যাবে। and this is very beautiful. আস্তে আস্তে আসবে। Look at the passes. There is a divider. In local language this is called isle. Yes, we see island. Normally the field in which paddies or other crops or grains grown are lower than the divider. Look at the divider. There is another divider here, and this divider signs the specific plot of lands for the specific landowners. Alhamdulillah, those people are really very, very lucky who have this green lovely field here in the vast open area. And unfortunately my parents didn't have such fields for producing crops. This looks very nice. No, চল আম্মা, এখন হয়ে গেছে, আমরা অনেক দূর চলে এসেছি, নদ উঠেছে, চলো আমরা অনেক দূরে আসছি। দেখেছো? লুক, দেখো এখানে, বা দেখো ওই যে গাছ, দেখেছো? যাও, আমরা অনেক দূরে, ওই যে বাড়ি। লুক এট দ্যাট। Take it now, take it, এটা নাও আম্মু, take it, শিফা এটা নাও, শিফা এটা নাও। বলো থ্যাংক ইউ, ওয়েলকাম। তুমি থ্যাংক ইউ বলবে, আমি ওয়েলকাম বলবো। বলো থ্যাংক ইউ জোরে। ওয়েলকাম। Take two more. তুই একটা, ওকে একটা দে। ধান তুলতে হয় না, মানুষ মারবে, শুধু এগুলো তুলতে হয়। Go. ধান তুললে যে চাল পাবো না, ভাত খেতে পাবো না, যে খিদা লাগবে তখন, ধান থেকে চাল হয়, সেই চাল দিয়ে ভাত রান্না করে। আসো। হাঁটো আবার, নদ নদ বলে এসো। Actually, they are little kids and they enjoy when we use some words like the children, though some words may not be pronounced clearly, but those words are very pleasant to be pronounced like the children. Alhamdulillah, there is not only a favorable sunny environment here, but also a gentle breeze is blowing over this area. Look, the tender vertices of these plants are swinging, moving with the gentle breeze. It proves that there is a gentle breeze blowing over this area, and alhamdulillah, it's really very enjoyable moment here. If you want to remove your monotony being in an overcrowded area, particularly in cities and towns full of jams, crowds, sound pollution, air, water pollution, and overall environment pollution, severe environment pollution or contamination, you can come here in the lap of nature, covered with green scenic beauties surrounding you without any contamination or pollution. And I hope those people are very lucky who stay in such village where there is no crowd, no jam, no pollution. Unfortunately, we, the people who has to undergo hardship of life, need of life, want of money, economic support, have to move towns or cities to earn our livelihood. That's why we cannot but go to those cities and towns, though those cities and towns are not favorable to us for our living. We have to spend their money for residence facilities or residential facilities. We have to spend their money for frequent movements while traveling by transports, traffics. Here we can see a small mango orchard. Yes, a small mango orchard. It's good. Children are getting back home and they are really very happy, as they have got some scope today to move outside, out of home. It can be called a day outside for them. Assalamu alaikum.